Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel PPC with Sagar. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can exclude negative keywords in your Pmax campaign. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to visit this URL. I will share the URL link in the description so you can check it out from there. So first of all, you have to fill all the requisites. So contact name, account, login, email ID, contact email address, Google Ads customer ID, and if you want to keep any other email into CC, so you can do that. So then you have to choose the first option, that is keyword exclusion. So I don't want to exclude keywords on account level, but in campaign level, so I have chosen this. So then after, you have to choose the first option, that is brand traffic, your own competitors or partner brand. Then you have to narrate like why do you want to negative these keywords, why do you want to put these keywords into the negative list. So then after, you have to submit a Excel file here, so you can download it from here. So I have already downloaded. So then after, you have to come to third sheet, keyword at account level. So so first two things will keep remain same. Then you have to choose your ad account ID, customer ID. So then after, you have to put your campaign name, then the match type. If it is exact match, broad match, then you have to mention it here. Then the list of keywords you want to put as negative, so you have to mention here. So after creating the list, you have to submit the attachment here and then click on submits. So within 24 and 48 hours, your all the negative keywords will be listed into your Pmax campaign. So if you found this video helpful, do like, comment, share, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.